What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to another review of an IPO for Cheetah Net Supply Chain Service Inc., which will be trading under ticker symbol CTNT, Charlie, Tango, November, Tango, on the NASDAQ exchange, and will be IPOing on July 31st of 2023. Now, before we begin, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you guys that if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link to join is in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, and this past week, for example, we called out CTCX pre-market on Thursday, July 27th, which ran up 77%. We also called out FEMY that same morning, Foxtrot Echo Mike Yankee, that same morning, which ran up 174%. So I just got to say, we're just made different. The early bird gets the cash, the moolah, the loot, the cashola, the big bucks, I tell ya. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, I have also included a link to our membership website program down below, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380, maybe more, episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and so much more, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. All right? Now, let's get right into this. Cheetah Net Supply Chain Service is a supplier of parallel import vehicles sourced in the U.S. to be sold in the China market. Now, in China, the parallel import vehicles refer to those purchased by dealers directly from overseas markets and imported for sale through channels other than brand manufacturers' official distribution systems, right? So CTNT basically purchases automobiles, primarily luxury brands like Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, Lexus, and Bentleys from the United States market, and then resells them to customers including both US and China parallel import car dealers. They derive the profits primarily from price differences between their buying and selling prices for parallel import vehicles. Now, CTNT was actually founded in the United States in 2016. Now, let's turn our attention to the IPO details. CTNT is basically offering 1.25 million shares in its initial public offering. The IPO stock price range has actually been set between $4 to $6 per share. With these numbers, we can actually estimate the deal size to be around, I'd say, $6.25 million. And investors actually will have the opportunity to participate in the growth and potential of CTNT as it expands its operations and continues to innovate in the consumer discretionary sector. Now, please note, ladies and gentlemen, we are not stock professionals, nor are we stock advisors or financial planners. This is just a show. Hey! We implore you guys to always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market at all whatsoever. Unfortunately, CTNT was not available from our broker to pre-order. Although CTNT is not a Chinese stock, it does have a very close relationship with the Chinese market, and as such, if it were available, I would have pre-ordered it. I would have pre-ordered a small size because, again, Chinese IPOs tend to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world. Again, this is not stock advice. This is just my opinion. You do your own due diligence. You do you. I do me. This is what I'm doing. And that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Double Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.